Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you the new functionality you will implement in your project, that is to print your HTML documents. So that types of functionality actually depends on client side. So you can just print your web page in the form of PDF. So by using the jQuery and JavaScript functions. So you know that already available a PDF HTML to PDF library file exists in your JavaScript. So there, that is type of document will available after converting your HTML to PDF. That's script you can use into your ASP.NET Core projects. So here you can see that a division have some data, parent division, and in the divisions you can see that all the documents existing, all HTML documents rendered. So parent div is the divisions where your data is present, and the print PDF is the ID property of your button control. So just print PDF class btn primary print. Okay, that's make a button looking like a button, but it's a hyperlink. So document.getElement by ID parent division, that where your data is present, and you can use that method HTML to PDF dot from element to set in the that's mean element is set in the form of PDF. So margin you can use 30, 10, 5 and 10, and page breaks also avoid, and GS PDF, that is orientation unit format, compress PDF and save that file in your browsers default locations. So where you can add your JS file, you can add your JS file in section script also, and also add that file in layout.cshtml. And you can see that your html.2pdf.bundle.mean.js used that here. So that's thing you can use into your project to convert, or you can save your file in a form of PDF or your entire HTML documents. Okay, so the second thing is to download your HTML to PDF conversion file. Where? So just you can use it that file. So first of all, you can check the script also, and page breaks is used, mode is used, page break is also used before and after the avoid mode. And how to use that HTML to PDF bundle.mean.js, just Google it, and you can see that HTML to PDF.js documentation is at here, and view on GitHub, and just download that project, and you can use your HTML to PDF bundle library, you can say. Okay, so the thing is there. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core and functionalities in jQuery, JavaScript. AngularJS is also considered in the later videos tutorial. So just subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it, and also share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. to learn many more about ASP.NET Core, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and Xamarin. Thank you very much.